Hi guys, today I'm doing a daily vlog and I'm going to bring you guys with me. I'm going to show you guys around the apartment. I'm going to be cleaning the living room, the dining area, and even the kitchen. I think that my bedroom is a bit tidy, yes, but I'm still going to like put some things in place and make it look more arranged basically, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
What the word is when somebody like you's in the building. Place on fire, I'm so lit. You're just it, you're all I want. Kicking back for a minute. When I can't keep my cool, come get it. Let's turn lights out, play fight now. Oh, oh. You went and took it to the floor, to the chairs upstairs, to the bed, baby, give me some more. You know my mind, stay by my side. I wanna ride, like ride or die. Love you for life, you turn me on. You turn me on. You turn me on. I let you in. You make me scream and shout. Turn me on. You turn me on. You pull me in and show me you know what I'm about.
I'm currently cooking. Let me show you. I'm cooking beans. Let me tell you the story of this thing. Look at this. I got these peppers and look at this. I didn't keep them in the fridge, in the freezer. I mean, because like I was just thinking that when I got it from the the store, these things were not in the freezer. So why do I have to keep them in the freezer? So I just kept them up in the cabinet, and now this is the result. Anyways, I'm going to use them to make my beans today. So while the beans is cooking, I'll be doing the dishes, and after this I'm going to clean the living room and I'll be back. So I'm done cleaning everywhere, my room, the living room, the kitchen. But I have a lecture now and I'm going to bring you guys with me.
Ryan Little. Japan.
So after my lecture, I just fried plantain, and I think I kept fish in the oven, so just to eat with the beans. And that's the end of my day, guys. While eating, I was watching like YouTube, Netflix, and after that basically I just chilled and spoke to some of my friends, and I went to the library to read, and that was it for my day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.